Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another Java GUI tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about the JSlider. And a JSlider is basically it's a little thing that you can slide and it will change a value in your program. So, let me get these imports down really quick. We're gonna need I think 3 sets of imports. So we need the abstract window toolkit import or aught, the swing, and then we're gonna need the swing event. So X swing event. There we go. Alright, got that, and just extends JFrame like we always do. Alright. So this program is gonna be pretty simple, so I'm just gonna make 2 objects. So JSlider slider, JLabel label. Basically what my program is gonna do is when you adjust the slider, it's going to say the value below it. So, very straightforward. Alright, now, our slider is equal to new JSlider, and this is actually going to take 4 parameters. The first one is the orientation, so type in JSlider dot, we want horizontal orientation. And then the next parameter is the minimum value possible, and that's going to be 0. Next one is a maximum value, and I'm going to put 20. And then the fourth one is what it starts at, and I want it to start at 0. And I almost forgot, we need to have a layout. I think I'm just going to do flow layout. Alright, anyways. So, remember, orientation, min, max, current, starting value. Got it? Alright. Now, these are just a couple things we gotta do extra just to make it look better. So, type in slider.set major tick spacing. And this thing you do is it's gonna have ticks at increments of what we specify. So I'm gonna do 5. So it's gonna have actually, every 5 integers from 0 to 20 is gonna have a tick. Or a little mark. You'll see. Notch, I guess you could call it also. And then, next thing we have to paint these onto the screen, so just do slider.set paint ticks and type in true. Alright. So, and then add slider. Now I need a label, so label is gonna be a new JLabel, and at first it's gonna say current value or value, and it's gonna be 0 at first, just put in 0. And then add label. Now make our event handling class, or declare it, so event e equals new event. And now we need to give our slider a change listener, so slider.add change listener e. Alright, perfect. So public class event implements change listener. Public void, I think it's state change event e. I think, I'm not really sure, but alright, yeah, it was. Alright, so anyways, what we did so far is we've declared a slider with these values. It's got ticks on it, we've added it, made a label, it's empty. Yeah, so now, and then we get our slider at change listener thing. Yeah, thing. Alright, so now in our state change method, what do we want to happen when we slide the slider? Well, I want our label to change, our label to display what the slider is at. So I'm going to make an integer called value, and it's going to be equal to slider dot get value. So now our integer value is whatever our slider is currently at. And then label set text current value, and then put plus value. Alright? Perfect. Just like that. So whoop. Alright. And then Yeah, you should know how to do this by now. Alright, yeah, make sure you spell it wrong too. Alright. Alright, here it is. So, it's our slider program, and you see, it's got tick marks at 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Our min value is 0, and our current maximum value is 20. And when the thing spawned on the screen, it said 0 because our thing was, the current value was 0. You could change that if you wanted, but for simplicity's sake, I'm gonna leave it at like that. So watch. Slide this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when I get to 5, look where it's at. It's at the first tick mark right there. You can slide it however what you want. And anyways, this program just shows what a slider is. In the next tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how you can use sliders in a much more efficient, interesting manner, and we're going to create a program that essentially you can use slider values to create a new color by choosing the RGB values. So it's gonna be pretty sick. So make sure you tune in, and yeah, bye.